Hello, today we present the PNI CT24. The smart thermostatic radiator valve controllable via the Tuya smart app. Besides the valve head, the box includes 6 adapters for various types of thermostatic valves. Danfoss, Giacomini, Caleffi and more. The PNI CT24 operates with 4 AA batteries, easy to replace. Its digital display shows temperature, working mode and Wi-Fi connection for intuitive use. The PNI CT24 thermostatic head offers day scheduling with up to 4 time slots per day. It supports anti-freeze mode, open window detection and child lock buttons. Remotely, via Wi-Fi, you can adjust the temperature, turn the radiator on or off, set operation modes directly from the Tuya smart app. Anytime, anywhere. Investing in such a smart thermostatic head means greater comfort, fine temperature control and the potential for lower heating bills. Discover the full range of PNI smart devices on our official website.